I want to cover 3 quick steps that can optimize your browser speed, which may help with office hours conferences and can resolve a lot of those weird tech issues, like where something seems to be working for everyone else, but not for you. These are the same 3 steps that I cover in my student video, but we're going to do them in a different order so they are least disruptive to your teacher workflow. First, go to Chrome, Extensions, or use the 3 dots in the top right and choose More Tools, Extensions. Extensions are little apps and services that run in the background, taking up memory and potentially causing conflicts. Create a bookmark to this page by clicking the star and changing the save location to your bookmarks bar so it's easy to get back here quickly. Toggle off any extensions that you are not actively using. I know some of you have had issues sharing your webcam on conferences. It could just be traffic and Wi-Fi congestion, but it could also be that the Screencastify extension has your webcam permissions tied up. To be safe, toggle Screencastify and all other extensions off when they are not in use. This will speed up your device performance too. And when you need Screencastify, you can just pop back to your extensions bookmark and turn it back on. Pretty much the only one I leave on is Google Docs offline. I have so many extensions because I love these little shortcut tools. But if I tried to have them all on at once, I think I would continually crash my Chrome browser all the time. And when kids report issues to me, it's very often a conflicting extension, often a game, but even more often it's the Grammarly extension, which is horrible about messing up everything else. So our Chromebook troubleshooting video for students similarly tells them to turn off the extensions they are not using. But if you toggle off all extensions that you're not using and you are still having problems, step 2 is to clear your cache and cookies. To do this, choose the 3 dots again, More Tools, Clear Browsing Data. Change the time range to all time. Put a check mark by all cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Browsing history is optional and something only teachers can clear. Students cannot clear that on their school accounts. And then click Clear Data. Once you clear everything, you may need to sign back into some of your online tools, but not your computer itself. It's like a little soft restart or refresh for Chrome and really helps with a lot of weird glitches, including password problems and page loading errors. If steps 1 and 2 don't help, step 3 is to restart your device. For Chromebooks, choose Power Off, then wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. The Power Off options for a Chromebook are in the dock area in the lower right where you see the clock. On a Windows machine, it's on the other side where you see this Windows flag. This is the most inconvenient step because it takes the longest. You have to log back in and then reopen everything, so try it last. But it is very helpful to periodically restart your device so updates can apply. At my house, we have to do this about once a week for our Wi-Fi router too, and maybe even more often now that 2 Jeffco teachers, a Jeffco student, and a college student are all remote working and learning. So we'll see. If those 3 steps don't resolve your issue, please submit a ticket or reach out, and we'll connect you with the right help based on what's happening.